Hey, what's up? Thanks for stopping by. So today it's the old classic moving kales. I'm not moving this one though, this one's staying in place, but I will be moving one that's located over there. I'll probably be leaving his little friend there, although it's possible maybe to rescue it, but we'll see. We'll deal with this one first, and also there's one out the front as well. It's not looking great, it's been well ravaged, but I think it might be able to be saved. I'll dig them up and I'll take as much of the root as possible. The one in the front though here is not going to be as big because the soil is like concrete out here. We're on the move. So there's the three of them. I took out the dodgier one as well. And I'll strip some of the worst leaves off them. Obviously keep some of them, particularly up the top. There's a little bit of new growth. And now to make some spots here, but here it's clearly obvious. Put that in some soup. So there's a spot there for one. Yeah, I think there too. So I'll make holes ever so slightly bigger than the root balls. I'll pop the plants in, backfill it, and make sure to firm it down. And water it in very well, or let the rain water it in very well, whatever the case may be. Could have been planted a little deeper. Oh, not too bad. I've also got a couple of chards here. I was going to plant them indoors, but a spot here that might be a good home for them. Give it a little bit of a weeding. That's my couple of chards put in there. Best of luck, fellas. And there's the kales in there. I'll give them a watering in, fingers crossed. Coronada. So, that's the kales and a couple of random chards planted. And that's all I have for today. Thanks for stopping by. If you're not subscribed, please subscribe and hit the like button on your way out. Take care. Slán.